As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Char-Broil Grills, the Performance Series 4-burner, B07JZV24HV, and the Amplifier 2-burner, B08HJN2SC5. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. They're both Char-Broil Performance Series, so you're getting a decent grill either way. But they're pretty different. What are you planning on grilling mostly?
Well, sometimes it's just for me. But other times I'm cooking for a small group, maybe 6 to 8 people.
Okay, that's good to know. The 4-burner has way more cooking space, like 475 square inches compared to the 2-burner's 405. Plus, it has a side burner, which is super handy for sauces or sides.
That side burner does sound useful. And the 4-burner is cheaper, at $369.99, while the 2-burner is $399.99. So why would I even consider the 2-burner?
Good point on the price. The 2-burner uses Char-Broil's Amplifier infrared cooking system. Supposedly, it helps prevent flare-ups and keeps food juicier. Also, it's a bit smaller and lighter, only 64 pounds compared to the 4-burner's hefty 85 pounds.
Infrared cooking. Does it really make a difference?
Some people swear by it. It's supposed to distribute heat more evenly. The 2-burner also has a tank gauge, which is a nice touch.
Okay, so the 4-burner is bigger, has a side burner, and is cheaper. The 2-burner is smaller, lighter, and uses infrared. What about the burners themselves?
The 4-burner cranks out 36,000 BTUs, while the 2-burner is lower at 18,000 BTUs. BTU isn't everything, but it does give you an idea of the maximum heat output.
Right, more burners, more BTUs. What about the grates?
The 4-burner has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention and getting those nice sear marks. The 2-burner has porcelain-coated steel grates, which are still good, but maybe not quite as impressive.
Okay, that's helpful. So if I value cooking space and power, the 4-burner is the way to go. But if I want something more compact with potentially better heat distribution, the 2-burner might be worth the extra money.
Exactly. It really depends on your priorities and how often you grill. Both are solid grills, though.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.